from Girl Next Door and welcome to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, my channel is about home decor, room makeovers and DIYs. So today's video is a part 1 of a 2-part series whereby I'm going to show you guys how to custom size your mirrors at the comfort of your home. So it can either be a mirror, a piece of glass or a picture frame. So the equipment you're going to need are a T-square, but if you don't have a T-square, you can use a ruler, an X-Acto knife, a glass cutting tool. This is 250 bob. You can get this at a hardware store. Glass cleaner. If you don't have a glass cleaner, you can also use water. And newspaper is, just a single piece of newspaper. So, and a dowel. The first tip is that start by cleaning your mirror. It's easier to cut a clean mirror than a dirty mirror. When you're at home and you don't have a glass cleaner, you can actually use water and newspapers to clean your window panes, your glass tables and also your mirrors. So thank God for my life. Since I'm going to use the mirrors for my next project, I'm going to take measurements so as to cut equal pieces of the mirror, overturn the mirror and use the X-Acto knife to cut the film, which is the reflective part of the mirror. It's important to cut the film because if you don't and you make the glass cut on the other side, this film may tear off. If it's your first time trying to cut a mirror, I would recommend you get an extra piece where you do trials and error, and with the little experience you get, at least you'll be confident enough to do the real thing. So I can see the line that I cut through the film, and now what I need to do is leave a little bit of space between that line and my T-square so that the glass cutting wheel is right over the top of that line. Give it a little bit of pressure and make sure that it makes an even, consistent sound. Turn over the mirror and using the glass cutter, tap along the line that you had made before, and now the mirror is ready to break. As I was making the cut, I found it easier to hold the glass cutter as if I was holding a pen. That's it for today, guys. Stay home, stay safe and save humanity. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to like it, and if you love this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Bye.